Have you ever wished to wake up with glowing, glassy skin that looks flawless without makeup? Well, today I'm going to share an amazing remedy that you can apply every night before bed. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin will look fresh, youthful, and radiant, just like glass. This remedy not only helps you achieve glassy skin, but also works wonders in removing wrinkles and tightening your skin. Yes, you heard that right. Tightening the skin naturally, without expensive treatments. With consistent use, the result will be a visible reduction in wrinkles and fine lines. You'll notice your skin becoming firmer, more elastic, and youthful with time. It also works as an anti-aging treatment that helps remove spots, dark patches, and signs of dullness. You'll see how it transforms your skin into a clearer, more even-toned version of itself. Believe it or not, this anti-wrinkle treatment we're going to prepare is even better than Botox. And the best part is, it's 100% natural and safe for all skin types. Not only does it close open pores and whiten the skin, but it also effectively removes pigmentation and smooths out lines that make your skin look aged. The star ingredient of this magical recipe is parsley. Yes, that humble herb in your kitchen has powerful anti-aging and brightening properties. It removes wrinkles, deeply hydrates the skin, and boosts radiance. Let's begin by chopping the parsley finely. Make sure it's fresh and green. Once chopped, put it into a small saucepan. Next, add about a cup of water to it. Just enough to cover the parsley. Now cook this on a low flame. Be patient here. We want all the nutrients from parsley to slowly infuse into the water. Let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes. You'll notice the water changing color. That's a sign that the parsley is releasing its goodness. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. This is important so we don't lose any benefits through heat. Once cooled, filter half the mixture using a clean strainer. This filtered part will become our facial toner. Pour the toner into a clean spray or dropper bottle. This makes it easy to apply daily. Now, every day before bed, use this toner by applying it to your face and neck. Use a cotton pad or your hands, whatever you prefer. This acts as a natural toner that hydrates, soothes, and preps the skin. You'll love how refreshed your skin feels afterward. Now, let's move on to the scrub. This is an important part of the routine to exfoliate dead skin cells and boost blood circulation. Take the remaining parsley mixture and grind it thoroughly in a blender or using a mortar and pestle. Once ground, filter the mixture again to separate any large bits. Set this paste aside. We'll now prepare a powerful scrub using it. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt is great for softening the skin and adding glow. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar acts as a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin and unclog pores. Mix everything well until you get a grainy paste. Apply this scrub all over your face and neck using gentle circular motions. Don't forget the sides of your nose and jawline. Leave it on your skin for about 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then, gently scrub it off using wet fingers in upward circular motions. This will help to further exfoliate and increase circulation. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry. You can use this scrub twice a week to remove pigmentation, eliminate wrinkles, and whiten your skin naturally. Now let's prepare the third and final part, the cream. Take the parsley solution we made earlier and pour it into a clean saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps to thicken the cream and gives a smooth texture that sits well on the skin. Mix the solution while it's still cold to avoid lumps. Then place it on low flame and cook until the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Stir continuously to avoid burning. Once it has thickened, turn off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Give it a good mix again to ensure everything is well blended. Now transfer it to a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the cooled mixture. Olive oil is deeply moisturizing and helps in reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Mix it very well until the oil is completely incorporated. Now, pour this luxurious cream into a clean jar. This is your homemade anti-aging night cream to use. Rinse your face with water and follow up with your regular moisturizer. You can store this cream in the refrigerator and use it within a week. The cool cream feels amazing on the skin, especially before bed. This powerful cream plumps the skin, smooths fine lines, and gradually removes wrinkles. It works like a natural Botox, without any injections or chemicals. The best part? It's suitable for both women and men. Anyone can benefit from this simple skincare routine. It not only whitens the skin but gives it a healthy, glass-like glow that you'll absolutely love. And once again, believe it or not, this anti-wrinkle treatment is truly better than Botox when used regularly and consistently. It helps in closing pores, evening out the skin tone, and brightening dull skin. So give this amazing natural skincare recipe a try and see the transformation for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such beauty tips. See you next time.